Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix no sound on YouTube. So if you try to play YouTube video and then you discover that there is no sound on the YouTube video, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to fix no sound in YouTube video, all you need to do is first, right click on the YouTube tab, click on mute, and then on mute. So this should provide sound to your YouTube video. Alternatively, if that is not working, go to the YouTube page, locate the video you want to watch, then click on it. Now, once you click on the video, then locate the volume button and confirm that the volume button is not set to mute. So if this is muted, you'll not be able to have access to the YouTube sound here. So make sure you click on this volume button to unmute it, or better still use this volume slider to increase the volume to the maximum. Then another thing you want to do is you want to check whether your PC volume is not reduced to the barest minimum. So go ahead and click on the volume on the taskbar, then adjust the volume level using this slider. So make sure you adjust the volume level. On Windows 11, click on this pointed arrow to have access to all the volume here. Then you should see Chrome volume under volume mixer, and make sure your Chrome volume is increased to the maximum so that you'll be able to have access to sound while playing YouTube on Chrome. Then another thing you want to do is go ahead and open a new tab on the window. Then go to Chrome, column, /settings, /content, /sound, and click on enter. Then you'll be taken to the sound settings on your Chrome page. On the sound settings, make sure you go to default behavior and check site can play sound. So once you check site can play sound, then you're good to go. Then if you check don't allow site to play sound, then just scroll down, click on the three dots on YouTube and then delete it. Once deleted, you can either come back here to check site can play sound or remove YouTube from the site that cannot play sound. Then go back to the YouTube site, then you should be able to play sound on your YouTube. I believe all of this should be able to help you fix YouTube cannot play sound